One summer, Alex mowed 4 lawns for every 3 lawns mowed by his brother Ryan. Together they mowed 98 lawns. How many lawns did each mow? Let's start by letting the number of lawns that Alex does be x, and then Ryan's lawns would be 98 minus x. We're told that the ratio of Alex's lawns to Ryan's is 4 to 3. So that would mean that the ratio from x to 98 minus x must be 4 to 3. Clearing fractions by multiplying both sides by 3 times 98 minus x, we have 4 times 98 minus x equals 3x, which will give us 392 minus 4x equals 3x. Adding 4x to both sides, we have 392 equals 7x. And then dividing both sides by 7, we would have x equals 56. Now here's where it's very valuable to have written down what x stands for. If we look back, we see that x stands for the number of lawns that Alex did. So Ryan would do 98 minus x, which is 42. So we can state then that Alex mowed 56 lawns and Ryan mowed 42 lawns.